the Toro Recycler 6, but all that matters is the 6.7149 Toro. No oil change required. What? I don't know what that means. But this thing wasn't starting. It would not start. Well, I didn't need to take that off because I already see. It wouldn't start. I don't know why it's not got a filter. But it wouldn't start. It wouldn't stay running, which was showing that the choke and whatever wasn't working or something. So I went and I looked in and I saw this line was just dangling out over here. So apparently there's supposed to be a pin in that. There's supposed to be a pin in that line so it follows. So it's being able to be governed. Where is it? So it's supposed to be able to be governed as the engine goes to stall. It adjusts that, but the pin was missing, so I just went, got some foil, rolled it through a loop and put it in there to take place of the pin. So, you know, like when the engine is, it's able to govern itself. And now it runs perfectly fine again. I don't know what this means. You always have to change oil. I think I got a ton in there. Not my mower, whatevs.